In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to build a town in Bloxburg. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you general tips on how to build a proper town in Bloxburg. Keep in mind that for this video, I cannot give you instructions on details on how to build each specific feature of your house and your town, but I can still give you tips that are going to help you when you eventually get down to building. So first, planning and design. You should decide on a theme for your town. You can do a bustling city, a charming village, or even a beach resort town. It's important to pick a design or a theme because this way it's not going to look inconsistent. And for everyone who is looking at your town or city, they will be able to see the theme all around. It just makes everything look prettier and well inspired. Next, look for inspiration online. It's very important that you look on websites like Pinterest and YouTube for Bloxburg town ideas. You can either look for town ideas inside of Bloxburg or just get real-life images of towns and use those as inspiration. It doesn't matter, you just need to get ideas for your own town. Next, consider the plot size and the layout. Buy multiple plots to create a large town area and make a sketch of your town, including roads, parks, and building placements. By doing pre-planning, you will be able to have an easier time building because you can just run off your rough sketch. Next, variety. Design buildings with different styles and sizes to avoid monotony, so don't build the exact same thing over and over. Include a mix of residential, commercial, and community buildings, and always start small and then build big. Build some few core structures to establish the layout, and off of those you will be able to build the other ones all around. Utilize tricks like half walls and hidden roofs to create interesting layouts. Use the decals and paintings to add details like shop signs or restaurant menus, and always try to add functionality. I hope I was able to help you on how to build a town in Bloxburg. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.